wherever it penetrates, it can break up lumps, bumps, adhesions. So great for cysts in the breast, for breast cancer, great for irritable bowel, great for constipation. It's very good at breaking up stones in the gallbladder, kidney stones, bone spurs. If the bone spur has been there 3 years, it might take 3 months. If the bone spur's been there 3 months, it might take 3 weeks. Little by little, the body heals, so be patient.
Barbara O'Neill claims her remedy can heal your body in just 2 weeks, and her approach isn't just about popping pills or supplements. She digs deep into the power of herbs and beverages to boost immunity and fight off even the toughest diseases like cancer. But what's the secret behind this natural healing process or approach? O'Neill is no stranger to health education. She spent years promoting the idea that the body has an innate ability to heal itself. All it needs is the right fuel, natural herbs, and beverages. Ginger, turmeric, garlic. These are more than just kitchen staples. According to O'Neill, they have incredible immune-boosting powers. Ginger, for example, isn't just for cooking, it's an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, perfect for reducing pain and swelling, especially for people with arthritis. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. Those small compounds inside ginger, like gingerol and shogaol, work silently, fighting off inflammation and oxidative stress, which can help prevent serious diseases like cancer. But that's not all. Ginger also does wonders for digestion. It helps food move smoothly through your digestive system, erasing bloating and constipation, while its immune-boosting properties guard you during cold and flu seasons.
Now we're going to have a look at ginger. Ginger can be used internally and ginger can be used externally. Internally, it's an anti-inflammatory, but it's probably mostly known for its anti-nausea effect. If you buy car sickness or seasickness tablets, it's compressed ginger. Now the easiest way I think to have this is to grate it. So you grate it on that little grater and you'll grate about a teaspoon and you put it in a little teapot and pour boiling water on it and let it sit probably 10 minutes. Now that might be too strong for you, but I love it. I love it like that. If it's too strong, you just water it down a little bit. If someone's very cold, maybe they've been caught out in the cold or something and it's very hard to warm them up, give them a cup of hot ginger tea and it will warm them up very nicely. So it can be used for nausea, it can be used to warm a person if they're chilled or cold, and you saw too it is one of the recipes in the flu bomb.
O'Neill recommends a simple yet effective ginger juice recipe to unlock these benefits. It's easy to make and full of natural goodness. A piece of fresh ginger, some apples, and a squeeze of lemon, all blended into a refreshing drink. It's not just delicious, it's a health-boosting tonic. And, according to Barbara, turmeric takes things a step further. Its active compound curcumin is said to have anti-cancer properties. O'Neill suggests drinking it as a tea or adding it to meals. And then there's garlic, the humble herb that's long been hailed for its immune-boosting capabilities. O'Neill advocates for eating it raw. It might not be glamorous, but she believes it's one of the simplest ways to supercharge your health. O'Neill doesn't stop with herbs. She's got a lot to say about what you drink too. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, and she argues that it's essential for boosting metabolism and supporting immune health. And then there are fresh vegetable juices, especially those made from leafy greens. According to O'Neill, these aren't just trendy health drinks, they're detoxifiers that nourish and cleanse the body. But why does detoxing matter so much? O'Neill explains that it's all about liver health. The liver is the body's main detox organ, and keeping it healthy is crucial for overall well-being.
Project manager, because on a job site, all the plumbers come to the project manager, the painters come to the project manager. The project manager is orchestrating the job site. So that's what your liver's doing. It's orchestrating the job site, of course, which is the human body. So a few facts on the liver. The liver is the largest internal organ in the body, and the liver is the only organ in the body that has the ability to regrow. And when you understand the liver, when you understand what it does, and it's the role that it plays, you'll understand why God made it so. You see, cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance. So those pieces of information alone make it a very important that we human beings know something about the house we live in, especially your liver. Your liver is under your right rib, and if it's not happy when you push it, it'll go, don't.
The key to O'Neill's method is integrating these remedies into daily life. She doesn't push for dramatic changes overnight. Instead, she recommends starting small, adding a couple of herbal teas or juices to your routine. Slowly, as your body adapts, you can incorporate more. She also promotes Pultices, herbal compresses that can reduce pain and inflammation. Ginger and onion poultices are easy to make, and according to O'Neill, they can be incredibly effective. Barbara O'Neill insists that natural remedies can lead to remarkable improvement in just 2 weeks. With a focus on liver health, immune-boosting herbs, and detoxifying drinks, her plan promises quick results. She also suggests something that you can make right at home: lemon water. Yes, this easy-to-make beverage may just be the key to transforming your health.
So we're looking at the 6 ingredients. So we've got garlic and ginger, 1 drop of eucalyptus oil, and cayenne pepper as much as you dare. Some can handle a sprinkle, some can handle half a teaspoon. Occasionally, some can handle 1 teaspoon. We'll be talking about cayenne pepper in a minute. So there's 4 ingredients. The last 2 ingredients are the juice of a lemon and the teaspoon of honey. So it's a really expanded lemon and honey drink that many people have taken for colds. And then you add about half a cup of water. So if you feel a cold coming on, flu, any respiratory, of course, what's all the go at the moment is COVID. You take a flu bomb 3 times a day and it'll be gone in 3 days. Of course, at the same time, you've got to exercise and drink all your water and eat very lightly.
It hydrates your body better than most drinks, and that alone can improve digestion and boost your energy levels. But that's just the beginning. Lemon water works wonders on your liver. O'Neill believes that if your liver is healthy, your body will naturally function better. Lemon water's citric acid stimulates liver function, helping your body detox. And who doesn't want your liver to work like a well-oiled machine?
Oh no, what are the benefits of drinking lemon water?
Lemon is one of the best tonics for the liver. So having a warm lemon water in the morning is a nice little tonic, has a nice tonic effect on the liver. Also, lemon alkalizes the tissues, so it's a nice drink to have in the morning to help the tissues alkalize.
But aren't lemons acidic? They are, but once in your body, they actually help balance your pH levels. This alkaline effect is crucial in preventing diseases. O'Neill is adamant that keeping your body's pH in check is a major step towards better health, and lemon water does just that. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, one of the strongest immune boosters out there. Regularly drinking lemon water might just help you fend off infections, especially when cold and flu season rolls around. It's a simple solution to help you stay healthy without needing supplements. O'Neill also highlights another benefit: weight loss. Drinking lemon water keeps you hydrated and full, helping you avoid those sneaky snacks. It's an easy way to cut calories without feeling deprived. And if you're swapping out sugary drinks for lemon water, your body will thank you. And there's another shocking claim by Barbara. Although research is ongoing, O'Neill suggests that lemon water might help lower cancer risk. Lemons contain antioxidants which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, one of the main culprits behind cancer development. Here's how to make the most of it. Start your day with warm lemon water. It's a simple habit that could resist your digestion for the day. Add a bit of honey or ginger for flavor and an extra health boost. Be mindful of your teeth, though. Drink through a straw or rinse your mouth afterward to protect your enamel. Barbara O'Neill isn't claiming lemon water is a magic cure, but she insists it's a powerful natural remedy. And if you mix it with aloe vera, it enhances its healing ability a lot. Aloe vera has long been praised for its healing abilities, but O'Neill emphasizes that combining it with lemon can do wonders for your body. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, fights inflammation, and helps with digestion as well. Lemon, on the other hand, offers a punch of vitamin C and can help prevent kidney stones. But the magic happens when you bring these two together. You start by slicing open a fresh aloe leaf, scraping the gel and blending it with lemon juice, honey and water. Not only is it refreshing, but it's also a powerhouse for your skin, digestion and overall immunity. And what's more, it's quick and easy to fit into your daily routine. Now let's talk about something that might surprise you: bitter herbs. O'Neill strongly recommends using herbs like dandelion and St. Mary's thistle. While they may not sound like your go-to health boosters, these bitter herbs are packed with anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties.
And I'm so glad that God made the liver a recoverable organ, because some of the things that people are doing to their body, in ignorance, mostly granted, if we didn't have a recoverable organ, some of us wouldn't even live past our 20s. But God, in His great wisdom and mercy, made the liver to be a recoverable organ. And these herbs help stimulate the liver to regrow and to recover. Cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance. And one liver herb that many people don't realise it is the lemon. So a great drink in the morning. Remember, you wake up, have your water, have another bit of water, and then when you come near the kitchen, have the kettle boiled and put juice of a lemon in some water with a little bit of boiling water on top and have a warm lemon drink. Fantastic liver tonic early in the morning. Also, the lemon is an internal alkalizer, so that will do a few things too.
Dandelion isn't just a garden weed, it's loaded with antioxidants and is known to support liver detoxification. Imagine adding dandelion leaves to your salad or brewing a cup of dandelion tea. It's a simple change with big benefits. And then there's St. Mary's thistle, better known as milk thistle. This herb works wonders for your liver, protecting it from harmful toxins. Now onto your colon health, which O'Neill believes is crucial for cancer prevention. She highlights herbal teas that support a healthy colon, particularly those made from barley. Barley might seem humble, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in fiber, vitamins and antioxidants, it helps your body stay strong, lowers cholesterol, and may even help prevent cancer. Incorporating barley into your meals isn't hard. Whether in soups, salads, or as a warm breakfast cereal, it provides essential nutrients that can strengthen your body. And don't forget about barley tea. A simple cup of roasted barley tea can improve digestion while offering a refreshing, nutritious drink. Barbara O'Neill's remedies might sound too simple, but their effectiveness lies in the everyday power of nature's ingredients. By using ginger and barley, you're not just eating, you're nourishing your body to fight disease, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. And it goes without saying that a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being, and Barbara O'Neill knows it. Her philosophy emphasizes that heart strength depends on oxygen, and not just about taking a breath, it's about how you breathe. She stresses the importance of breathing techniques, particularly diaphragmatic breathing, which involves using your abdominal muscles. This method ensures your lungs can take in more oxygen, boosting circulation and heart function. Proper posture is also vital to ensure deep breaths. If you sit slouched all day, your lungs don't fully expand and your body misses out on precious oxygen.
If it's getting enough oxygen, can you see that it is going to be stronger? Can you see that it is going to pump more efficiently? So how can we ensure that our cells are getting enough oxygen? Well, there's a few ways that you can ensure that the heart is getting enough oxygen, and that is by the way that you breathe. Our body was designed so that our abdominal muscles were used in the breathing process. When you use your abdominal muscles in the breathing process, then you are getting full oxygen quotient. And many people today have a hunchback, many people have poor posture, and also many people have tight clothes. You should be able to put your fist in your skirt or your pants, allowing those abdominal muscles to go in and out with the breathing process.
Want to know something else that's simple but powerful? Interval training. It's O'Neill's favorite exercise to get the heart pumping. With short bursts of high-intensity activity followed by rest, interval training strengthens the heart while improving oxygen intake. Even better, it's time efficient, so you won't have to spend hours in the gym. But there's a question. Do you think you're drinking enough water? O'Neill insists that hydration is key to everything, especially our heart. But here's the twist. Just plain water isn't enough. She recommends adding a pinch of Celtic salt to your water for a natural boost of minerals like magnesium, potassium and calcium. Why? These minerals are essential for muscle function, nerve transmission and keeping your heart rhythm steady. Dehydration can make your blood thicker, forcing your heart to work harder. A simple glass of water with a dash of salt could be your heart's best friend.
So very important, number 2, that you be well hydrated. Water. The water loss in a day is about 2.5 litres. That's 1.5 litres out through the kidneys, 0.5 of a litre out of the skin, 0.3 of a litre out of the colon and 0.2 of a litre out of your lungs. That's 2.5 litres a day. So 2 litres must be replaced. The other half a litre can come through herb teas, maybe juice, maybe your salad, maybe your fruit salad. You're getting some moisture there. But that water must be replaced. Keeping the heart with all diligence, those muscles need water because out of it are the issues of life, and the best blood thinner is water.
However, ever heard of a castor oil compress? O'Neill swears by it for reducing inflammation, easing arthritis pain, and promoting overall healing. It's as simple as soaking a cloth in castor oil, applying it to the affected area, and letting the magic happen. But that's not all. She's a huge advocate of using charcoal poultices to draw out toxins, ginger for inflammation, and even raw potato slices for instant relief from swelling. The best part? These are all things that you can try at home. Have a stubborn earache? O'Neill suggests something as basic as an onion poultice, where onion juice is applied directly into the ear for relief. Her remedies are a reminder that sometimes the best solutions are found in your kitchen. In just 2 weeks, Barbara O'Neill's natural remedies, combined with proper breathing, exercise and hydration, can set you on a path to healing. You'll feel your heart growing stronger, your body responding to the remedies, and your energy levels rising. The best part is, all of this is done without complicated medical procedures or synthetic medications. Isn't it time you took control of your health the natural way? Don't wait to try it out for yourself. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more health tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to better health starts now.